This is Nick with logosbynick.com, and in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how the alpha lock function works in Procreate for the iPad. So alpha lock allows you to lock the transparent areas of a layer so that when you edit that layer, you are only editing the contents of that layer and not the surrounding area. Let me show you what I mean here. I have this example design on my canvas here. If I open up the layers menu, you can see I have my background and then I have layer 1, which is just a circle. Now, if I close out of this and grab a brush and I want to start shading in this circle like that, you can see that as I shade this in, the brush strokes are going outside of the circle like that. So let me undo that. Let me come up here to the layers menu. Let me tap on this layer and go to alpha lock. And what enabling alpha lock does is, like I said, it makes it so that you can't edit the transparent areas. So now what I can do is I can go and apply those brush strokes to create the shading like that. And if you notice, as I create that shading, it's only being applied to the circle. It's not being sent to the outside area like that. Now, if at any point I want to turn that off, I can go back to the layers menu, tap on the layer again, and I can deselect alpha lock, and there you go. Now it's back to its original preset where you can go ahead and draw outside of the boundaries. So that's how the alpha lock function works in Procreate for the iPad. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.